This German-based machine tool supplier leads the global market, supplying companies of all sizes with a wide range of innovative and high-quality machines, tools, and accessories. Founded in 1923, their operations have expanded to include an international distribution network with locations worldwide, all of whom share a commitment to quality and world-class customer service. We visited their North American headquarters just outside of Chicago to learn more about KNUTH Machine Tools USA.
With over 20 years of experience within North and South American markets, KNUTH USA is a premier machine tool supplier, offering a wide variety of machines for cutting, turning, milling, drilling, and grinding operations.
So it's not just about longevity, it's about evolution. Our success comes from having a team that truly understands both our machines and our customers. So we spend a lot of time and energy to train our sales engineers to guide customers to the right solution and not just sell a machine tool. And we feel that this is, at the end of the day, what makes the difference.
What makes the KNUTH Machine Tools stand out is our diverse selection of manual and CNC machines. We offer solutions for every step of the production process, including lathes, mills, drills, bandsaws, grinders, and fabrication equipment. Between our locations in Chicago, Houston, and Monterrey, Mexico, we keep over 7,000 parts and accessories in stock.
At KNUTH USA, we offer a comprehensive range of services throughout the life cycle of our machines, starting with expert evaluation, ensuring that the correct machine is chosen. Then moving on to professional installation and setup and training of our customers, operators, and technicians. We also support after sales as well, offering full service, parts and accessory, and technical backup.
We make sure we have what our customer needs when they need it. We're currently expanding to 3 locations in North America: Chicago, Houston, and Monterrey, Mexico. That means we're close to a lot of customers and we can respond quickly. Whether it's shipping machine tools or accessories or spare parts, our team works very efficiently so our customers' operations can run smoothly. And that is, at the end of the day, what counts.
What makes the team special here is not just their expertise, it's their passion. Our passion to find the right solution for the customer needs and help companies grow, streamline operations, and stay competitive in the market. That is the KNUTH way, and it's all due to the great team that we have here.
KNUTH Machine Tools have been just working with them in general, even outside of the equipment that we use, has been nothing but a pleasure. They've been very supportive of what we do at the College of Lake County. Long story short, moved into a new facility, and KNUTH was extremely generous, not only with their contribution, but helping us get equipment set up.
We provide a service to our customers where we don't just sell a machine, we truly understand the needs of our customer and their processes. And that allows us to truly add value to their operation. That is why KNUTH Machine Tools USA is truly one of the world's greatest.